I think that a lot of people go out there thinking that there's some magic solution. The magic formula is to be personable on camera, have something you're passionate about, be knowledgeable about it, be fun, have good audio.
What makes someone personable in your opinion? Like, I find you really personal on camera. You're really good on camera. You connect well. What do you think takes? Is it just being you're yourself? You're the same person on camera as you are off camera.
Well, I think it's partially kind of being self-aware, because you haven't seen some of my videos from my previous channels before I was on this channel.
No, Sean from Think.
Yeah,
he talked about the same thing. He's had so many failed channels before he got one right.
I think I had 6 channels before I found one that worked.
Do you treat the channel like a business from day one? So it fails, it's like failing a business?
No, because my channel was a part of something else. I had my website that I was writing for, which was a business, and it was successful. So to me, adding videos was just an element to make that more popular.
Yeah.
And then the videos became so successful that I kind of put the blog on the background. So it was never really, I really didn't plan to be on YouTube. It was never, I didn't even want to be on YouTube. I didn't plan to. It just, I kind of happened across it. But as far as being personable goes, my early channels were extraordinarily bland, monotone. I had to just be self-aware and look at myself as a viewer, and I was like, I'm really boring. You have to kind of let your best personality come out.
I like that. Yeah. So you're your own biggest critic. You'd watch your own videos, and you would. I do have the podcast a lot. I will literally, like, I'm at the dog park, I'm in the car, I'm listening to my own podcast, and like, need to shut up there, need to ask my own questions there, You
have to watch yourself critically, and people don't. I think some people, especially new ones, are so excited just to see themselves on YouTube in that window with all the that's just exciting to them, and they don't realize that the content is atrocious. Like, it's kind of like, remember back in 2015, 2016 when everybody was vlogging, a lot of those old vlogs, people were like, here I am at Target shopping, in the shaving section. It's like, nobody wants to see that.
Yeah.
The reason Casey Neistat could do that is because he made it interesting somehow.
Somehow
he found a way to make anything interesting.
He was like
people are looking at not looking at why that's interesting. They're just looking at what he's doing.
Okay.